Honourable Speaker, as part of the flood mitigation strategy for the Nendi district, government decided to construct retention dams upstream, the two major rivers, Nawaka and Namosi. The primary objective of the retention dam is when there is heavy rain, then these dams will retain water and release it slowly rather than all the water coming down at one particular point in time. Honourable Speaker, 4 dams have already been constructed, 2 in the Nawaka River upstream and 2 at the Namosi River. This dam that he is talking about is the 3rd dam on the Namosi River. This dam was the work started in 18th of June last year. Contract worth $1.8 million was given to the construction company Multiworks Limited. The dam consisted of a total length of 30 meters. The dam weir up to 5 meters, 8.5 meters up to the top of the guide wall, 2 box culverts for discharge of water in the dam, 1 box fish ladder to allow for fish migration from downstream to upstream. Sometimes when these dams are constructed, people forget to realize that upstream from the dam, the households may not have fish, which they usually used to. So fish ladder was also part of the project. Honourable Speaker, to date we can say on an average 80% of the work is completed. The crush rack installation 40% completed, concrete coping 40% completed, the construction of the weir body, the weir 100% completed, weir crest 100% completed, the concrete block partition wall 100% completed, the compacted hardcore fill and sand completed 100%, guide walls 65% completed, anchor walls 55% completed, the fish placing of the concrete culvert box for the fish baffle 100% completed, the foundation 100% completed. Honourable Speaker, the construction activities performed till date, 80% is totally done, 20% is left, and so we're looking at this probably completed in another 2 to 3 months' time. Thank you.